How to set up a professional business email. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to set up a professional business email online for free. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to a platform known as Titan.email. So you will go to Titan.email and you will land right here. Titan email is the first business email suite that helps you build deeper, more meaningful relationships with your customer. We will be able to get a professional email and work on it. Let's check out the different features and tools we are getting. So for that, we will have to sign up. In order to get Titan, you just have to enter your email address first, like any Gmail address that you have, and click on Get Titan. For sign up, you just have to fill in this form, your full name of your company, what is the company organization size, and then number of email accounts you need. We can select like how many email accounts we want, and we can have more than one account using Titan. But for now, I'm just gonna go with one. Do you have a domain name to set up Titan with? If you have a domain name already, you can say yes, I have. If you do not have it, you can just say no, I need a domain and click on next. After that, you just have to select the domain that you have, and you can select any kind of partner from here. If you have Hostinger, if you have WordPress, if you have HostGator, any of these different partners, then you can select from here and get your domain. Now, what we need to do is I'm going to select WordPress, and it will take me to the partner of WordPress. So it's like you can select the service first, and then it will give you a professional email for that website, for the domain that you have. So I have selected WordPress, right? And now I can just go to wordpress.com and it will ask me to get a free trial, and I will be able to sign up with WordPress email. So this is for if you do not have a domain. Let's say that I have a domain already. Then what I can do is I can select the option yes, I have one, and enter my domain. Click on next, and it will take you right here again. So now we can move on with the WordPress or any other. So I have signed in to my WordPress, and now I will be able to have a professional email for my WordPress website that I have. So if you do not have a WordPress, then again, you can select any of the different options available given here. And then you can just select it and sign into that website. So I have signed into my WordPress. Now let me show you what are the different features and tools we get on Titan. When it comes to Titan, we get email templates. We will be able to create an email, and then we will be able to create it as a template, and it will be a creative and responsive template. We can also schedule our post. We will be able to schedule our emails and add a time, a date, and we will be able to customize and automate our work and save time. Similarly, we have read recipients. We will get notified with read recipients the moment your recipient opens your email. So you will get a notification when your recipient will read your email. So that's actually really impressive. If you're waiting for the reply, you will actually know when they read your email, and you can just wait for their reply. Then we have a follow-up reminder that allows you to set reminders for your different emails. And then we also have a signature builder that allows you to build signatures. This way, you will be able to create professional email and send through Titan. Now let's move on to another platform. Let's say that you do not have any domain and Titan is a little complicated for you. Then you can go to Zoho Mail. You might have heard about Zoho. Zoho is a corporate with a lot of different features and different applications. We have our own, Zoho CRM and others. So to get a professional mail, you can set up Zoho Mail. Just go to zoho.com, Zoho Mail, and click on Get Started if you do not have an account. And you will be able to create your account with your first name, email address, and password. Just sign in or sign up to your Zoho. Let me sign in so that I can show you how we use Zoho Mail for professional email. So this is my Zoho Mail right here, and you can see with Zoho Mail we get mail, calendar, task, notes, contact, and bookmarks. To create a new mail, you just click on new mail option right here, and it allows you to create a brand new email on Zoho. To create a new email, you will just go to new email right here, and then just have to enter like to CC subject, and then type in your email right here. Now we can create professional email with Zoho because you can see we can change the font of our email, we can add bullet points, we have different indent options, we can add any kind of file, then we have superscripts and other options available too. So it allows us to create a very professional email with all of the different features such as adding reminders and also getting a notification when it is read. So this helps us create professional email and it helps us to actually build a team and build a relationship with our customers. Similarly, I can schedule my emails with calendar option given here, and you can just like select the date and it has its own calendar view. So you don't need to add any kind of integration and go to Google Calendar for separate scheduling and more. Zoho gives you that option within. Then we have tasks as well. In Zoho, we can not only, create professional email, but we can also keep track of our team members. We can add different tasks. So it's like a project management platform within our Zoho mail. So we have delayed, today, this week, or this month. Then we have notes right here. In notes, I will be able to create my own notes and, paste content, write content, everything. And we can also, create new context right here, import our list from spreadsheets for our customers to have a very professional platform. And we will be able to keep our, one tone for all of our emails using Zoho Mail. So it's also another platform that I use for my professional email. If you're having problem with Titan, you can go to Zoho Mail. So these two platforms actually give you a professional email and you will be able to set up emails with reminders. You will be able to set up and schedule your email and create professional email with different templates, fonts, designs, and image and media. So you can sign up for these platforms, and signing up for Zoho is actually a little easier than Titan. That is why I wanted to give you like an alternative. And you can see we have different folders that we can create in order to organize our professional email as well. Then we have tags that we can create. Tag help us customize and organize our different, email. I can create different tags such as new and give them different colors as well. And then I will be able to, just customize my whole Zoho experience and create professional email in minutes for my customers to build a customer relationship and run a successful business online. So if you're looking for a professional email platform, then go ahead and check out titan.email or mail.zoho. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.